Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this super cute combo top hack on Dress to Impress. So you do need VIP for this. I'm just going to take off everything real quick and I'll show you what you need to wear. Select this outfit and select this color, and then the next one and just have this color saved, and then I'm going to color it in the glitter pattern. Then select this one and you're going to just color everything in that pattern. So do that. And lastly, you just need to go out and go to the Valentine's update section. Select this one and then color the first one that same color in glitter. Color the second one that pattern, and then just leave the last one white. You can pair it with anything that you would like to, but I just have this on. Maybe add in some cute boots to it. I'll just do the boots from the Brat collection and color it in this glitter. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.